Hey everyone, so in this video, yes, this has already been used. This has already been used and set up, but I've put it as close as possible. I know the charger is really messed up, like it's all angry. I tried my best. So, let's go. Okay, so, here it is. Here's the back of the Midland. It says just Midland, and it says weather alert radio. And you can read that. Read all that. You can read that. And then all this information that you can pause the video for. And then on the side it says stay in communication when the power goes out. 3 AA batteries required for backup. Not included, but you know, is included. But I do have batteries in my room. And it says that in Spanish. Spanish. Okay. Here's the front of your thing. It says ready out of the box, simple, customize your location. It's backwards, so I'm reading this backwards. So here's what it shows. The bottom, we can't read that backwards. So yeah, let's unbox this. Here's the top, by the way. So let's unbox this. And by the way, before we do this, it is a WR120B. Okay. Here it is. Here's your Midland. Here's the back of it. Here's the front. Okay, here's all the buttons. Okay. And then the charger went out. That fell out right here, which is not good. Here it is. It is a 300 milliamp. Yeah. And then so here's your weather radio. It has a very nice connection cord on it. I'm not plugging this in because, you know, I believe this is the one that I'm taking to North Carolina tomorrow, so I'm not setting this thing up. So when you click on the power right here, which most likely want to do this, and you want to plug it in, then you plug it into a brick or like a wall, and it comes up and set your location. So yeah, and by the way, these things are very not light, they're really light and tiny. If you've ever hold one before, they're really tiny than you think. So yeah, I'm probably gonna pack this up and box it so I pack all this stuff back up. This is how I. Whoops, this thing broke. This is how I pack everything. I'm not gonna add that little cardboard thing. I'm just gonna pretend like it's a wall. I don't really find my other videos. That's gonna be stupid. Here. And then we're gonna press in Midland, the real thing. Okay. No, it's like this. No, it's like this, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna package this up. I'm gonna send this to and see where I'm going. in my bag, and I'll be also making a vlog tomorrow morning of me getting. It's gonna be like I'm gonna make this vlog and I'm gonna post it on Star YT 600 YT. It's gonna be a probably 20 to 30 minute vlog if I make it that long. And I will be also showing this unboxing. So yeah. So make sure you watch it. Yeah. There's a vacation coming up soon if you want to start watching. And yeah, bye guys. Click.